use of song and in. Using affirmative sentence. Using interrogative sentence. Using adjective and pronoun. Song plus singular countable noun, singular uncountable noun, plural countable noun, तीनों के साथ ही करते हैं. एग्जाम्पल होगा I have some books, plural countable noun. Do you have some books? Question mark, plural countable noun. I have some books, but she has not any pronoun से हो गया some adjective. I have not any books, but she has some. Any adjective, books plural countable noun, some pronouns. Yeah. Thanks. अगली वीडियो में भी हिंदी का बता रहे हैं.